How to add songs to Carousel post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add songs to a Carousel post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is quite simple. If I open up Instagram here and then if I tap the plus button from the bottom, if I select only a single photo, right, I'm only selecting a single photo, then I tap the next option, I can easily add music by tapping the music icon from the top and then adding from music. But what if I select multiple pictures? So I'll just come back, let's say, and I'll select one or two more pictures like that. And once I select one or two pictures, I will just select them, then I'll just tap the next option, and you can see that I still have the music option. So previously we did not have such kind of feature, but now Instagram has rolled out in a way that you can also add music to a multiple post. It doesn't really matter, even if it is a Carousel post, you can do whatever else, and then you can just tap the next option to add them. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically add a music to a Carousel post on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.